The Greenlee 910FS Fusion Splicer uses Splice On Connectors to terminate field fibers. Load the splice protector onto the field fiber. Load the appropriate boot onto the field fiber. The field fiber must be stripped, cleaned, cleaved, and placed into the 910FS on the left-hand side of the splicer. Mount the Splice On connector into the appropriate adapter, in this case an LC-UPC. Load the Splice On connector and adapter into the splicer, making sure the fiber lays in the V-groove and is in the center of the electrode area. Close the wind protector and initiate the splice. When the splicing operation is complete, open the wind protector and release the field fiber clamp and then the Splice On connector clamp. Carefully position the splice protector over the fusion splice so that the splice protector makes contact with the connector. Place the fusion splice and protector into the heater oven so the Splice On connector is in the right-hand side of the oven. Press the heater button to start the shrink process. The Splice On connector requires the 60mm heater mode with center and edges activated in the heater profile. This is the default for heater mode number 1. Place the fusion splice into the cooling tray when the heat cycle is complete. Place the strain relief boot onto the connector.